NRC, and today I got my Camaro with the HELLCAT, and we're gonna take them out for a spin. I'll give you a little view of the car driving, then we'll get to the spot and we'll run the HELLCAT. Beauty! Alright, I got the HELLCAT ready, the car's ready. I'm gonna try to hold this when I start it and stuff and drive around, so it's not gonna be super smooth. There we go. This is gonna be hard, guys. I'm just gonna show you a little bit, then I'll shut it off and I'll turn it on later when I'm close. Alright guys, I'm going to turn it off and I'll show you me driving right before we get to the spot. Alright, see you there. Alright, we're almost here. This parking lot's good still. I didn't come here in a long time. Right in there. Don't worry guys, I only gave it like a little bit of gas. I don't really beat on this thing. Still looks pretty good. Here's where we're going to run this beauty. I'll park over here. Right here. Alright, I'm going to get this beauty set up. We're going to hit the road and run it. Alright guys, let's give her a run. Pretty quick, not gonna lie. Look at the handling, whoa! It looks like they just put this shiny black top stuff on here to preserve it, so it's kind of slippery. Pretty quick. Whoa, close to that wall. You get on this side, the sun's on the opposite side of it. Now all I need is someone to race with here. Thing's pretty quick. I'm on a 6L MIM. Right, a 2S LiPo will be real good. Z. Almost hit it. Oh man, I'm spinning in circles here. I'm getting dizzy. Whoa, close to that wall. This thing's a blast. This Kyosho chassis, the MK2. It's a really good chassis. These are like $199. Same chassis as the Mad Van, but an on-road. They take a real beating. Dang, I forgot how fun this was. I haven't used it in a long time. Whoa. Whoa! Oh, I'm losing it. She looks like a beauty. It's a little dark out, but look what she looks like with them lights. It's pretty cool. I have red and white in there. Nice. Handles really well for having stock tires. And then for this parking lot, just getting covered with that roll-on tar type stuff or the spray-on one. Oh, I think I got something caught in it. Back up. There she goes. Yeah, she's getting slower now. Yep, she's dying out. She's losing pep. Only have a 3,000 milliamp battery in here. And it's pretty old too. Alright guys, that's it for the Z28 and the HELLCAT. Alright guys, that's it for the Kyosho HELLCAT. I had a few guys requesting to see my Camaro, so I figured I'd do a 2-in-1 video, RC and the car. Well, now it's time to hit the road again. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. As always, believe it or not, I didn't even hardly use this thing all year. I think this is the third time I took it out. So let's start this sucker up. This is my fuel injection unit. Alright, I have to go get gas. Only got less than a quarter tank left. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next journey. Watch over here, there's a lot of geese crap. See you next time, guys. Alright guys, we'll see you next time. Beauty!